I wanted to show you guys how I did this nail build. I have these nail forms that just came from Amazon, and you can see my nails are super healthy. I just did one layer of clear polish. Some of the videos I watched, they used a light pink. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm applying it thick to the part where the top of my fingernail is, and then I am brushing it up to the second line. I wish they had a line like in between the two, because this is like really long, but you can file it down to the size you want. Hey guys. Okay, so I'm just doing a thin, carrying it down as thin as I can. I'm going to take that and put it in my lamp, the 45-second lamp. I have 2 coats of clear on there, so I'm just going to squeeze the nail form to try and remove the nail. There it goes. And then this metal part, you just squeeze it open. Okay, so I have a nail there, and that is just 2 really thick coats of the clear polish, and you can use, yeah, I definitely need to shape it. And it's like, see, it's like bendy. So I'm gonna do like a really soft filing to shape it in the shape I want. And then I'm gonna do a couple more coats of nail polish to get it thicker, like this one here. This is the important part. So I love to get salon nails. It's really fun, but it's expensive and it damages your real nail. This product, it is completely non-toxic. So it doesn't have any of those nasty chemicals like regular nail polish, like formaldehyde and other things. So it's completely safe. Okay, so it's like crazy thin, but I have it there. Can you see it? And I'm gonna buff it with the smooth side now. If you have long nails and one of them breaks, oh my gosh, this is just really genius to fix that nail. So since this one is just crazy thin, I'm gonna do one more coat of the clear. What I want is to be able to, you know, the next manicure I do, just change my color without removing the build. As soon as it cures, it's dry. So if I need to take a break and go do something else, or if I'm doing my nails before I go to bed, I don't have to worry about them getting ruined. Okay, so I'm just trying to build, there's this little part, which of course it's right where my nail connects, that had a little divot. So I kind of built that up a little bit. It's not super pretty, but there it is. And I'm going to cure it again. And then I'm going to buff it again. Then I'm going to clean it. And then I'm going to put my color. Okay, so I'm just going to clean up that edge again. So I made kind of an almond shape here. So trying to get that same shape on this side. And I'm using the soft side of my nail file. Okay, so now I'm gonna just try to get it smooth. Okay, I'm super happy with that. So it's nice and smooth. You guys see that? Okay, so using a wipe, this is just a alcohol prep wipe. You want to do thin coats. Good thin coat, and with any polish, but especially this polish, you want to make sure to cap the ends, the top of your nail. So that's one coat, and this one's two coats. So I'm just going to cure that nail, and I'm doing the next coat. And the polish doesn't dry until you cure it. And then after you cure it, if you notice like there's a, especially with this nail build, if you notice there's a bump or something wrong, you can totally just take your file and buff it and then apply a little bit more polish. That's one of my favorite things, is being able to fix after the fact, like fix a chip or something. You can go back and just buff that and redo that part of your nail. And I used 2 layers of clear, and then I painted 2 layers of gel polish. And so that's the length of my regular nails, and then that is what the build looks like.